All right, so in this tutorial, we're going to create a graph of a translated, notice the first ones are just going to be translations, but this time our parent function will be the cosine of x. So let's review what we know about cosine of x. Well, we know it's a periodic function. We know that if we want to use nice points to go ahead and do this, we start at 0, pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, and 2 pi. And cosine starts at 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1. My domain is all reals. My range is the closed and bounded interval from -1 to 1. And my sinusoidal axis is y is 0. Okay. Now we're going to go look at that. Let's go back. Oh, Mr. Isaac, it's the wrong function. Oh, okay. Cosine. How's that? Don't you just love technology? Okay. Oh, Mr. Isaac, the graph doesn't look right. There you go. Okay, so let's check. If I subtract a positive value, oh shucks, again it moves to the right. If I subtract a negative value, it moves to the left. Oh my, holy simoleons, it's the same thing. Newton is with us. If I'm adding positive outside, I go up. Oh, but wait, I said that the sinusoidal axis, watch this. You gotta love technology. This is great. I just did this on the fly. Now can you see? Here is the sinusoidal axis. In this case, y equals 3. So you can use that when you're creating graphs. Wait a second. Maybe I should go and take a look at this. I might have to do some algebra. Okay. Mr. Isaac, I thought it was subtracting. Okay, let's see. So y, I'm going to bring this over here. Minus negative pi 2. So first of all, y equals the cosine of x is translated 1 unit upwards. A negative number, so if you're at 0, to go negative means left pi over 2 units. Okay, so now let's put Humpty Dumpty back together again. So my mapping to go left is, we're going to subtract pi over 2. Ooh, I'm running out of room. And we add 1. Okay. Let's just put 0. Now, this will be okay. I kept these numbers nice because I didn't want to have to deal with arithmetic, and I wanted to be able to make this video quickly. In my image, so where you begin is your pre-image. Now, a couple students are struggling because they are not emphasizing the vocabulary, so they're getting confused. So you start with your pre-image. Where you end up is your image. Okay. 0 minus pi over 2 is pi over 2. Pi over 2 minus itself, I hope, is nothing. Pi minus pi over 2 is pi over 2. 3 pi over 2 minus pi over 2 is pi. 2 pi minus pi over 2 is 3 pi over 2. And my y values. Now I'm going to add 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 0 plus 1 is 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is nothing. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Oh, but wait, we're not done. My domain is all reals. Under the mapping, even if I'm translating it, I'm still going to end up with all reals because everything's just shifted to the left. If I take every number in the plane and shift it to the left pi over 2 units, I still have the entire real line. I said plane, real line, excuse me, I was wrong. My domain, uh-oh. But Mr. Isaac, oh, wait 1 second. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oop, not domain, this is range. Ha, see, Friday, I made a mistake. Range is a y value, so I'm just going to add 1 to it. Minus 1 plus 1 is nothing. 1 plus 1 is 2, so the new range is from 0 to 2. My sinusoidal axis was y equals nothing. But when I add 1 to that, my new sinusoidal axis is y equals 1. So how do I put this together? Well, let's see. Okay, I'm going to graph my sinusoidal axis. Okay, these are going to be pi over 2's. Just imagine that I could draw it so that it looks right. Okay, so we're going to start at minus pi over 2. That would be here. And there's 2. Then at 0, it's 1. At pi over 2, it's 0. At pi, it's 1. And then it's 2. And then we go back here, 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 okay? And there you go.